Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Vantrue N4 and the Miden S7.
Get ready for some serious camera action.
In our first category, video quality, the Vantrue N4 takes the lead with its stunning 4K resolution for the front camera.
You'll be able to spot license plates and road signs with crystal clear clarity. On the other hand, the Miden S, the 7th of May, not have 4K, but its 2.5 front video and FHD 1080p rear video still deliver impressive results. You won't miss a single detail on the road. Moving on to night vision, the Vantrue N4 shines bright with its infrared night vision capabilities. Those dark, spooky roads won't stand a chance against this camera.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 steps up its game with a wide aperture and advanced CMO sensor, capturing impressive nighttime footage. Say goodbye to grainy, hard-to-see videos.
Now let's talk about ease of use. The Vantrue N4 comes with a user-friendly interface and a range of convenient features.
Plus, it's backed by an 18-month warranty and top-notch customer support.
They've got your back.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 takes the crown with its intuitive design and easy installation process.
They even throw in a wiring crowbar.
Now that's what I call customer service.
The Vantrue N4 and the Miden S7 are both solid contenders in the dash cam world. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences.
Remember, smart shoppers always do your research and compare products before making a decision.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. Leave a comment below and let us know which product you prefer and why.
The product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.